Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 7th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 stars Sudoku. A truly 4 star Sudoku, number 9551. Truly, because this one has 24 printed digits. The 4 star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1 2. We have here 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 2 6s, 4 7s, well, 4 8s, okay, and 2 3 9s. So the 7s and 8s are a majority. Can I start with 8? 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. 8, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Need an 8 there. Cannot continue with 8. How about the 7 then? 7. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column 3, the middle column, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 8, okay, 8. Need a 7 there. 7 here. 7 here. Okay, cannot continue with a 7. How about, need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 9. How about the number 4? 4. Need a 3 there. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have 3 and a 7 in this big square, so no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 3 and 7, 3 and a 7. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. That means in this big square, 2 numbers are left in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 5, 5. Well. 5, 5, 5, and yeah, we have here 4 missing numbers in this last column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. We have 2 and a 5 in this big square, so no 2 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in the last column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. No, 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 9 goes and there. 3, 3. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Oh, no, 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 no. I need a 9 here. Okay, need a 6 there. 6. 6, 5, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this one. No 6 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes, and there. 3, 3. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. How about need an 8, 5. Need an 8 there. 5. Need it. Need a 9 here. I'm thinking. Well, in this big square, we have a triplet, I believe. Yeah. 6 missing numbers. And these 3 boxes cannot be an 8. Cannot be a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. And cannot be a 4. We have a 4 in this row. So the 8, 5, and 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 8, 5, and 4, 8, and 5, and 4, 8, 5, and 4. Here can be an 8. We have 8 there, so the 4 and the 5 are left. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column, so this can be a 5 anymore. This box will be a 4. And a 4 and a 5 are left here. 4, 5, and 8, 4, 5, and 8, 4, 5, and 8. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9. That means 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this second column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 1 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, there are only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 1. Let me see. Well, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. Well, here can be 9 because we have here a triplet, 4, 5, and 8. So the only place left 9 should be here then. So the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 3 then. Okay. We have all the 7s. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. How about the 8? Yeah. Need a 6 here. Well, in this row, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. And look, this box cannot be a 6. We have a 6 in this big square, no 6 there. This box can be a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 6 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 5, 6 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 2. 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this big square, so this box should be a 5, and that box should be a 2 then. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column 3, no need to place left, and 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row, no need to place left, and 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the second column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 5 should be there. So we had 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 4, 8 and the 4, okay. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can't see digit number 3, number 5. 1, 7, 2, 9, 6, 9, 9, 6, 6. I need 2 here. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2, 4, 6, and look, we have 4 and a 6 in the third column, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this big square. For number 2. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 9 goes in there. Okay. 6, 6, 2, 8, 8, 8. And I need a 4 here. Come on. 2, 2, 2. Well, in this column, we need a 2. Middle column. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the 2 in the middle column could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 2 in this row. Last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left in the middle column. The 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Well, we have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 or an 8. We have 8 now, so this box should be a 4. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column, so we'll come next. The only place level 4 should be there. Here, 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 or 3, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Here, 2 numbers, 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes at there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so that column, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so the first row, the only place level 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see this number 4, number 9, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, front numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8, we have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 50 minutes, wow. Not under the 15, let me give this a 2 stars. But we sold again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.